Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, it is time for another crochet hair install. And today's install is another collaboration with EayonHair. It is me trying their wet and wavy variety. Now this hair was sent to me by EayonHair, but you guys know in all my videos I always keep it real with you guys. I have their wet and wavy hair. It is in the natural color. It is 20 inches, and I was sent 3 packs of this hair. Now, it's important for me to bring up that it might seem like it's a little bit more chunky in the package, and it's like, oh, there's a lot of packs in there. It's a good time for me to bring up that they have now changed their packaging style. Now, historically, they used to send like 3 packs would be this, but as you can see, I have additional hair. They have changed their packaging to each pack is a half a pack, but still, if you order 1 pack, this is what you would get. If you order 2 packs, this is what you would get. If you order 2.5 packs, this is what you get. And if you order 3 packs, this is the total. So it's a little bit different than the last time I tried an EayonHair. If you remember the tight curly, I tried that hair. They did this just to kind of split it up and make it easier for you to order half packs if you do order half packs. So again, this is half of a pack, but if you order 1 pack, don't be surprised if these two come and you're like, well, am I getting extra? You're not getting extra, but you are getting exactly what you ordered. Now, 1 pack, which again, this is 1 pack, is 98 to 100 strands. So that means a half of a pack is 48 to 50 strands. I don't know just yet how many I'll need for this style. I haven't installed it yet on this beautiful braid down that my girl Kish has done. If you guys follow my channel, you know she's my new braider. She gets me together. I found her on Style Seek, just happened to search and type up who does braid downs, and she came up and she did an amazing job. This time I had her do no leave out. We got a straight back braid pattern with a little bit of a crisscross, it looks like, somewhere up in here. She said this would be great for crochet. She doesn't know I run a crochet hair review channel, but I just slid in there. I'm gonna do a crochet hair, and the stylist across from her was like, she can do your crochet install. I was like, nah, I got it. But I did let her know I did want a braid pattern that was meant for crochet, and she said this would be great. It gives me a flexibility of a closeness between them. She said it'll look natural, and I trust her now. Even though this is only my 2nd time going to her, I feel like a trust bond has been brought between us. So she did a fantastic job with this braid down. It only took her, again, an hour, and shampoo and blow dry was included, and that's the bane of my existence, and now that bane has been solved. Now on the Eayon site, they have many pictures of this hair, and you can buy, again, it multiple ways. You can buy 1 pack, 2 packs, 2.5 packs, 3 packs, 3.5 packs, 4 packs. You can get multiple lengths starting at 16, so 16, 18, 20, and 22, and the color, of course, is this natural color, but it being in its natural color, of course, you can dye this hair. You can do anything you want with it because, again, it is human hair, and apparently you can have it wet and you can have it wavy. That was the whole point of me choosing this hair. I saw wet and wavy. I'm excited for wet and wavy. But without further ado, let's get this wet and wavy into this head. With your purchase of this hair, of course, you get a comb, clips, an edge brush, and the crochet needle that I will be using to install this hair. This hair, just like every human hair, has a mechanism to hold it in place. This hair has that string that, since I didn't dye the hair, matches and blends beautifully. But all I'm going to do to install is push the crochet needle through my braid, attach the hair, make a loop, pull the hair through twice, and repeat that process all throughout my head, front, back, center, sides, all of that. I am just repeating the process of pushing the needle through, attaching the hair, creating a loop, pulling the hair through twice. Because this is a looser hair, you are going to want to pull through twice. this is how far half of a pack got me. So not one full pack, but 0.5 of a pack. Roughly 50 strands are in my head at this point. And this is how far one pack got me. Again, this is one pack, which is 98 to 100 strands. So of course I'm gonna need to move on to the next pack. So now this is the finished look. 20 inches, uncut, 2 full packs in my head. So every drop of 2 packs is in my head. Now, if you would like to have the exact amount that I have in, so 20 inches, 2 full packs in the natural color, the current price for that is $246. If you want it shorter, so you say you want 16 inches, the price is $204 for 2 packs. But also say you don't feel comfortable. You're like, Leah, girl, you use all of 2 packs. Like, what if I need like 3 extra strands? Then I need to buy a half of a pack. So this again is half of a pack. At 2.5 packs at 20 inches is $277. I don't think you would need though more than 2.5. 2 packs, I know I have fully 2 packs and I feel secure in my 2 packs. I don't feel like I have any openings. My head feels lightweight. I feel like it's a very full look. I don't think you would need 3. So again, this and what's in my head is equal to 3. What I have in my head is 2, and this additional will be 2.5. I think a little bit goes a long way with this, and especially with it being summer, you don't want to be too hot. I feel so lightweight. I've been telling you guys since I've gotten a professional to do my braid down already feels very lightweight. It feels like I have a greater range of motion with my head, but the hair itself on top of this braid pattern, again, I do have 12 braids. I was a little nervous that, oh my gosh, it's a lot of braids, but it's really not when you think about it. Normally I have 9 to 10 braids all going straight back in a braid pattern, but I'm probably using a lot of that hair to cover up the little bun I have in the back. With a fully flat braid pattern like this, it was not a lot of packs used and very quick install. I took all of an hour 15 to install this into my head. So I have the rest of the afternoon. I was wanting to be done, and I did it in the afternoon. If you can tell, I'm at a different place. It's a different time of day. The sun is moving and shaking in a different way because it is afternoon or evening. I have a dinner with my friends this evening, and I'm excited for. I wanted a new fresh hair for my friend. It's one of my friend's best friend's birthday, so I wanted this hair, and I think this hair is very cute. In terms of the install and the knotting situation, you guys know I double knotted it. I think just because this hair is looser, single knotting it's just not going to work. You're going to want to double knot when you install this hair. It just, again, I've had looser hair and I know how looser hair play a little bit. You just got to be a little bit more careful, and I think double knotting it, I feel secure with it in my hand. I feel like I can run my brush through it and all that good stuff, and I would be perfectly fine. The great thing about this braid pattern, when Kesh was doing it, she was like, I'm going to do it this way because you could part it on any side. So you're not relegated to the left side, even though I do have a left side, and you guys know I'm a left side queen. I don't have to. I can split, I can part it on multiple sides. Again, though, that made me have to be more cognizant about the amount of hair I was using because when I do the left side part, is it okay if like there's one spot right here that I didn't cover? Absolutely, because I'm always wearing left side part. So I do feel super secure that you would be fine with 2 packs because again, I feel super secure in every nook and cranny of my head. Now, the big part of this is how is it going to react with the wet and wavy? It's wavy. It's in its natural state, but we got to get it wet. I'm going to insert a clip of me getting it wet. I'm not going to wet it right now. Again, I have a best friend's birthday party to go to in a minute, and I like the look that I have going right now. Maybe I'll love the wet look, but that's for future me to spray with water, see how it looks. I'm excited for the wet and wavy nature of it. I'm excited to wear this hair out. I'm excited for the length of the hair. I'm excited because I think it's a cute hair for the summer. Again, can straighten it, can color it, can do all those things. And also a great thing about it is you can reuse it. It's human hair. You're paying $200+ for whatever length and whatever variety you get. You want to reuse it. And I understand that want and desire to reuse. So that's the great thing about human hair. That price tag comes with the ability to reuse it. Now, thank you so much, EayonHair, for working with me in today's video. Make sure you guys check them out. Make sure you check out their site too. Tell me in the comment section if you are looking at their site and there's another hair you want me to try. Let me know. I listen to you guys all the time for references. I get all my hair recommendations from you. So give me those recommendations down below. And while you're down there, give this video a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Even if you did not enjoy it, we want all the love and support over here on this channel, as well as we want you to subscribe so you don't miss a thing we do over here, and have that notification bell on so you're alerted when we do new things over here. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Lia Lavon 89 to keep up with my shenanigans in real time. TikTok at Lia Lavon, which is a few more shenanigans and a bit more real time. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.